Well, two stocks have been in focus today, first one being Minda Corp and the second being Pricol. But why are they in focus? The main question arises is Minda Corp has come out with its exchange filing and they have stated that they have acquired 15.7% stake in Pricol, and now the total consideration comes at 400 crore rupees. And they have categorically said that this is a financial investment and not a strategic investment. And of course, this did spook the markets in the beginning, in the early on in the trades, that this might be a hostile takeover. But then because of that, the volumes of the stocks were actually changing across the day. Apart from this, do remember that the deal happened at almost 209 rupees per share for 1.92 crore shares. Now, but enough of the deal. The question arises is why did Minda Corp actually label it as a financial investment? So now let's go back to the history. In FY19 itself, the company had a QIP issue, and how much did they raise? 310 crore rupees. Apart from this, do remember that as time progressed, the cash levels in the company started increasing. But when a cash level starts increasing, the ROC numbers start coming down, and this is happening because the company never had a strong capex plan. So the capex levels were actually not there itself, and the cash levels keep up going up. Apart from this, do remember that the numbers, if we see, we pull it out, the numbers, the cash levels are expected to go up more than 500 crore rupees in FY23 itself. And the ROC numbers also took a beating in FY22. So this is what the Minda Corp's case is. But then let's look at Pricol. Why it becomes a good takeover candidate, and what are the synergies if any company acquires Pricol? And do remember, the first important thing is the brand recall. Apart from this, also there is a product diversification happening and product depth, and also the new clients which are coming into the company. So first we spoke about Minda Corp, secondly we spoke about Pricol. But let's go into the details that why this deal or this series of financial deals could be important going ahead. And of course, the street is not ruling out that there might be a hostile takeover going ahead in the future. Now do remember, 2 years ago itself, also the company had shown interest, Minda Corp, in Pricol itself. Apart from this, the Pricol's management spoke to ET now, and they were very clear. They were very clear that they will not allow the hostile takeover, and they'll make sure that they do their firefighting to actually kind of use their countermeasures to go against this takeover. Apart from this, they have also stated that there is an institutional investors backing happening for the promoters and the investors, and they are expecting that on the long-term basis, they remain very strong to the stakeholders and also for the company's growth plans. And of course, Pricol itself is a net debt-free company, and most of the companies, group companies, are also debt-free. And lastly, I would like to just point out the shareholding pattern of Pricol, where it actually stands. The promoters are having almost 36.5% stake in the company. The retail investors have more than 20% stake in the company. Apart from this, FPIs have around 12%, while the mutual funds have 4%. But all in all, a lot of action, a lot of drama was seen in the first half of the day. And after the clarification came in from Minda Corp, this kind of, gave a soothing effect to the markets also, but selling pressure was seen towards the latter part of the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.